Welcome back. Your kids can blast off into a summer of science and exploration at the Virginia Air and Space Center in Hampton. Jessica McBrady and Ellis Hatcher are here to tell us about their summer camp programs. Welcome to Coast Live, you two.
Thank you.
So
Thank
excited
you.
to be here.
I'm happy to have you. I love all these little experiments, and you have a lot of cool things here, and I'm not really sure what we're doing. So you can actually do some of these activities at Space Camp. What is the first experiment we're going to be doing?
Well, our most popular science experiment is one that we brought here today. Inside our blue bucket, it's called Space Freeze, is liquid nitrogen.
Space Freeze, I like that.
And the temperature of liquid nitrogen, negative 321 degrees Fahrenheit.
Yikes. So I don't want to be touching that. That's why you have these gloves, right?
But NASA uses it, of course, because of the coldness of outer space.
Okay.
So we asked the kids, our students, our campers, what's going to happen to the air inside our balloons if it's exposed to extreme cold temperature.
Oh my goodness.
And we take all their guesses, and of course the most popular one is the balloons are going to pop.
Right, that's what I always wonder. But I have a feeling because that's what the kids guess, that's not what's going to happen.
Hopefully not.
I don't want it. Okay, maybe
Hopefully not.
Stand back
Hopefully
a
not.
bit?
So
What's going to happen here?
1, 2,
They get a shrink?
And they always say they're not going to fit because they look huge.
They're shrinking!
But yes,
Wow.
they are shrinking.
So-
Whoa!
Can we freeze air?
Oh my gosh, so explain what's happening here.
Yes, the extreme cold temperature, at this temperature, negative 321, oxygen molecules get so close together. You stretch up when you get cold.
Right, yeah, oh, for sure. I do that all the time.
And that's exactly what the air does inside our balloons. And they get, and we saw them shrink.
Oh my gosh.
And they get so close together, it actually changes from a gas to a liquid.
How cool is that? This is, and people are probably wondering, how can it be a liquid though with temperatures that cold?
Exactly. Well, every gas will change from a gas to a liquid if you get it cold enough. The molecules lose energy, they get closer together, and that's what is inside our balloons right now is liquid oxygen.
Oh, how cool is that? See, I bet the kids would love this. And these summer camps, tell us about them.
So our camps are called Camp NASA. So everything is around a NASA mission. So of course we want to be using things like liquid nitrogen because in order to get to space, we have to somehow simulate space here.
Sure.
So we use liquid nitrogen to do a lot of different experiments. And we have a lot of different hands-on activities with our astronaut camp, space camp, and this summer is the 50th anniversary of Apollo 11 going to the moon on July 20th. So we're having a lot of rocket camps, testing materials.
Oh my gosh.
Launching rockets. So liquid nitrogen is the perfect.
And I love it that you do a lot of these camps and you get kids involved in STEM, which is
Correct,
huge these
yes,
days.
yeah.
And when are the camps and how can people register?
So our camps start June 24th, that last week of June, and they run through the middle of August, and they can register online, and we have 8 different weeks and 5 different themes. So our robotics camp is our crowd favorite, so we have 3 different weeks of robotics camp.
Okay.
So there are many different themes online.
Very cool.
And we're going to do another experiment. So I'm going to go ahead and stick our flower.
Okay, so we're taking out this crazy stuff.
Oh my
gosh.
gosh. The balloons.
Wow, you can see
I'm going to
everything.
go
That's
ahead
crazy.
and put my gloves on. And so our
Oh my gosh, they're
flower-
blown back up.
they-
That is
yes.
insane. Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead and stick my flower in.
I'm just watching the balloons. The kids must be screaming when you do this.
Take this
And what's
off.
It's
happening
our
to this
favorite.
flower right now? What on earth?
So
Woo, what's happening
So
here?
what's happening is we asked them what would happen to the astronauts' fingers if they weren't protected.
Oh, no.
And we don't want to use Jessica's fingers.
No, we don't.
So instead we use a live flower and
Oh, no. Oh, no. They
If-
just crunched off.
if their fingers weren't protected, that's what would happen.
Is that seriously what? No, that would happen with a human finger?
Yes, it would.
No.
So our flowers represent live tissue, but it's safer.
Oh,
And
my
freezing actual live
gosh.
tissue.
Oh my gosh.
So-
Okay, if I'm acting like this, I can't imagine how the kids would react. So
Yeah,
this
we
is so
always have a fun time. So
So parents, you got to get the kids to come out to the camps. And how can people again get in touch? What's your website?
it's vasc.org/camps, and all the information is there.
Oh, you guys, this was super cool. And look at these. Can I touch the balloons?
Yeah, yes, they warm
Okay,
up very
safe.
quickly.
All right, see, these are safe now. This is amazing. I'm making a little rainbow out of it. Thank you.
Yeah, of
It was so
course.
fun.